Hey guys, good to see you today. I wanted to let you know I have a guest lecturer with us today. This is my dog Sherlock. He's going to hang out with us a little bit. He's keeping guard on the front door there, I guess. Hey, I wanted to kind of go through some of these questions with you for how to analyze six-word narrative. The reason that we analyze the narratives is so that we can understand the author's purpose, like why authors do what they do. If we can understand from a model for why authors do what they do, then we, as authors, can do a better job communicating our message. Okay, so the questions start here with why did the person make this story? Here, you need to kind of step into their shoes and think, well, what's important to this person, and why did they think it was important to choose showing us one picture or using some words and maybe not others? There's that whole idea of here's what the person says, and then here's what the person doesn't say. So think about that question in two ways. Think about the choices that you'll make and try to put yourself in the person's shoes of the video that you watch. Okay. Now here, this next one says, how do the narrators, and these are the people that make the video or the six-word story, how do the narrators show their point of view? So you can pick one or two images from the slideshow or the video that you watch and really dive deep into those and say, okay, they show their point of view in this picture by by saying how important mountains are, but not only do they say how important the mountains are to them, they show three pictures of the mountains and they that kind of thing. Okay, how does the narrator show you what's important to them? Okay. All right, the third question is, how do the words they use relate to the pictures that they show? Here, we need to be really careful about what words we're using and how we're relating our emotions with the pictures. Okay, so how do they do anything that's cute or fun in their video to really make it more meaningful for us? Do they use pictures that have dark images or really light images? Do they show chaos? Do they show calm? How are their words connecting to the pictures? Okay. And then the last question here is, how does the narrator express emotions in the story? So what I'm after for this question is the exact words perhaps that they use, maybe the order in which they've chosen to present their slides to you. A lot of the ones that you'll find are chronological, which means they go in a time sequence. Others of them are going to be emotional roller coasters, like they're going to show happiness and then sadness and then great joy and then being worried. Okay, so Sherlock, be quiet. He's trying to chime in and try to help you guys a little bit, I guess. So how does the narrator express their emotions? What words do they use? What images do they use? And more, in a more deep way, how do they, connect, the sequence? How do they connect these things together to really make an impactful video for us? Okay. So I've asked you in the instructions, please use as many explanations and details as you can. Try to find an original one. This is the one that I'll do as a model for you here. This one I'll model for you in just a moment in the next clip. But try to find your own one that speaks to you, one that you feel like you could answer these questions for. Okay. I won't accept I don't know, and I'm not going to accept something really short like, oh, they show their emotions by putting words on a slide. Which words? Be specific for me, okay? Do the best you can. I really appreciate your time today. Have fun. Bye.